How to use your Noise Shots Nuvo wireless headphones. Just got your new Shots Nuvo wireless headphones? To set them up, first make sure your smartphone and your Shots Nuvo are right next to each other, and your headphones are fully charged. Done? Let's get started. Power on. Remove earbuds from charging case. The earbuds will automatically turn on once removed from the charging case. Power off. Place earbuds inside charging case. The earbuds will automatically turn off once placed inside the charging case. Pairing. Remove earbuds from charging case. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone or laptop and open the Bluetooth menu. Select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select Noise Shots Nuvo. Your Shots Nuvo are now paired with your device and ready to use. Music controls. To play or pause music, press your left or right earbud once. To go back to the previous track, press the left earbud 2 times. To advance to the next track, press the right earbud 2 times. Volume controls. To increase the volume, press the right earbud 3 times. To decrease the volume, press the left earbud 3 times. Call controls. To answer an incoming call, press either left or right earbud once. To end a call, press either left or right earbud once. To reject an incoming call, press and hold either left or right earbud for 1 second. Activating the voice assistant. To use Google Assistant or Siri on your Android device or iPhone, press and hold either left or right earbud for 1 second. First, make sure your Shots Nuvo are fully charged. On your paired smartphone or laptop, remove or delete your Shots Nuvo from the list of paired devices in the Bluetooth menu. Place both earbuds in the charging case. With the earbuds still in the charging case, press and hold the buttons on both earbuds simultaneously until the LEDs blink red and white 3 times. Your Shots Nuvo have now been reset and are ready to be paired with your smartphone or laptop again.